Ayu, a hospitality management co-op diploma student at Canadian College, currently working at our campus restaurant. We asked her to share a bit about her experience studying and working with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Ayu from Bali. It's really good for me to work at campus restaurant, and I really enjoy it because I work with my friends and I have really nice coworker, really nice boss like that, and it gives me a lot of experience how I communicate with the customer. My friends told me that a restaurant is hiring, so I'm trying to bring my resume there, and that's how I got my job at a restaurant. Well, my goals is to get a lot of experience, especially in hospitality industry here. And in the future, of course, I want to be a full-time worker in the tourism industry. Well, I really like living in Vancouver. I like the nature here. It's so convenient to go everywhere, to the mountain, hiking, like a lot of beautiful bridge like Capilano Suspension Bridge or maybe Lynn Canyon. It's really beautiful. I really recommend Canadian College to everyone who wants to come to Vancouver for study, because the teacher here is really nice. Even everyone in Vancouver is really nice. If you're brave enough to live abroad, so you should come here, study here, and enjoy the life here, because there's a lot of opportunities here actually that you can get. Thank you.